So hello friends, my name is DRC. Welcome to Science Space Biology YouTube channel. My video is titled as Science and Tech News. Let's start the video. So hello friends, first news is researchers describe a skin that heals itself, performs sensory tasks. The University of Colorado Boulder researchers have described an electronic skin that can heal itself. It also reliably performs a range of sensory tasks like measuring the body temperature of users, tracking their daily step counts. The stretchable device is slightly thicker than a band-aid and is recyclable. It can also be shaped to fit anywhere on your body. Second news is PM Modi congratulates ISRO after successful satellite launch. PM Narendra Modi congratulated Indian Space Research Organisation for successful launch of the Earth observation satellite EOS-01 on board the PSLV-C-49. In the time of COVID-19, our scientists overcame many constraints to meet the deadline, PM said. He added, 9 satellites, including 4 each from US and Luxembourg and 1 from Lithuania, have also been launched in the mission. Third news is Virgin Galactic to launch first human spaceflight from New Mexico in November. Virgin Galactic announced it will launch the first ever human spaceflight from the state of New Mexico between November 19 to 23. This flight will include revenue-generating payloads as part of the NASA Flight Opportunities Program. Its spacecraft, VSS Unity, conducted 2 previous test space flights from Mojave, California, before it moved to the facility at Spaceport America in New Mexico. Fourth news is scientists develop faster way of detecting antibiotic resistance in bacteria. The University of Sheffield revealed scientists have developed a quicker way of detecting resistance in bacteria. The method uses nanotechnology to detect antibiotic resistance in approximately 45 minutes. This could improve people's ability to prescribe antibiotics correctly and reduce the misuse of antibiotic treatments. The method doesn't require the bacteria to be immobilized. Fifth news is Pfizer says its COVID-19 vaccine is more than 90% effective. Pfizer today said its experimental vaccine was more than 90% effective in preventing COVID-19 based on initial data from a large study. Pfizer and German partner BioNTech say are the first drug makers to show successful data from a large-scale clinical trial of a coronavirus vaccine. Today is a great day for science and humanity, Pfizer's chief executive Albert Bourla said. Sixth news is IIT Madras researchers make tech to increase industrial ovens efficiency. IIT Madras researchers have developed a disruptive sensor technology to increase the efficiency of industrial ovens. They developed an ultrasonic waves-based temperature measurement sensors that accurately measures temperatures from -100 AC degree to 1400 AC degree. This technology also generates data in real time through LOT devices that will provide inputs to industry to improve manufacturing processes. Seventh news is IISc and Indian Oil sign MoU for hydrogen generation technology. Bengaluru's ISC and the Indian Oil Corporation signed an MoU to develop and demonstrate biomass gasification-based hydrogen generation technology. The developed technology will be scaled up and demonstrated at Indian Oil's R&D center at Faridabad. Hydrogen generated from this demonstration plant will be used to power fuel cell buses as part of a bigger project being conceived by Indian Oil. Eighth news is NASA objects to an upcoming mega constellation of satellites. NASA has expressed its concerns to US FCC about an upcoming mega constellation of broadband satellites that could cause a significant increase in frequency of conjunction events. A Texas-based company plans to place a network of up to 243 satellites at an altitude of 720 kilometers above the Earth's surface. NASA also discussed satellites' potential conjunctions with A-Train. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share or subscribe.